Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. Today we're going to be talking about the altcoin Terra Luna. Now I just want to make a small statement about the whole crypto market. I feel like recently the pump has started to split the market. Bitcoin is getting close to 32k, but on the other hand, Ethereum is still under 2k. I don't know if you guys agree with me. On the other hand, South Korea is starting to put more and more regulation on Terraform Labs. There is a lot to cover today as Binance is also not very happy. Now before we get into all of that, if you're here for the first time, you do want to stay up to date with everything to do with Luna, I highly recommend you scroll down, tap the red subscribe button. While you're there, slap a like on the video. It is completely free to do so. It will just help the YouTube algorithm push the video to more people see the incredible side of Luna. They decide to put their trust into it, it starts spiking up, and all of us make a lot of profit. So make sure you go down and slap a like on it. Other than that, let's get straight into it. So to begin with today's video, before we look at Terra Classic or Terra 2.0, I want to talk to you guys about the airdrop that happened about 48 hours ago with Binance. Now there is a news report that came out saying Terra development team reveals some users received less Luna from the airdrop than expected. So if you do receive more airdrop in the next 48 hours, do not be surprised. It just means that you were supposed to receive more, but by mistake you just received a little bit less. The new Terra blockchain Phoenix 1 has been operating since Saturday morning 28th May, and on that day millions of new Luna tokens were dispersed to the Luna Classic and the Terra USD holders. However, on Tuesday, the Terra development team revealed that some Terra token owners received less Luna from the airdrop than expected, actively working on solution. And this actually went through onto the miscalculation when the Binance drop also happened. And let's just say if you are holding your Luna Classic or were holding your Luna Classic inside of Binance, you might be receiving a little bit extra as we go forward. The new Luna jumped more than 85% value on Monday, reaching a high of $11.45. Now this has actually caused a lot of momentum in the whole of the crypto market. A lot of people are starting to talk about that. People are starting to put more and more money into Terra 2.0. Does that mean that it will start going back to where it was supposed to be, or will it just decide to slowly die down? Because if we decide to look at the price right now, it is back down to $7. It is down close to 20%, but the trading volume is still over 1 billion, which is significant, and it is a lot of money. Something else which a lot of people are missing out on is South Korea just invested 177 million directly in the metaverse platforms. Now metaverse is not only to do with crypto, but this is talking about the whole of the metaverse. And it's really interesting to see because they're putting a lot of regulations on crypto after the UST and the Luna crash, and seeing them invest just in the last 24 hours, that is a significant amount. I guess maybe they see something that a lot of people don't. Another thing is, look at this. Now another big news heading that I want to talk to you guys about is Binance and CZ are not happy as more allegations are coming out against KWON and Terra 2.0. Binance CEO CZ has asked his investigation team to look into the allegations by Terra insider Fatman against Terraform Labs founder KWON and Terra. Binance CEO had always opposed the idea behind UST algorithmic stablecoin and KWON's plan for revival of UST and Luna. We remember he obviously wanted to make sure that they tried to use their reserves and try to revive the Luna Classic that we know right now, rather than creating a new blockchain. Moreover, Binance has taken a cautious approach in listing the new token. The exchange listed it in the innovation zone, a place for high-risk tokens. Now, it is not obviously done by everyone. Not everyone is trading it. They want to make sure that people do understand that there is a lot of risk involved if you do want to trade Terra 2.0. But another investigation team against KWON, this is getting quite serious. Now, looking at the chart, so since we had the high after the Terra 2.0 release, we did have a strong pullback. Now after the strong pullback, there was a smaller higher high that was created, but another plummet down. Now this is not only Luna, but then at the same time Terra 2.0 also had a similar sort of crash, and right now again it is sitting close to the 10 zone, which is its strong support. Now keep in mind the strong support has been acting very well. Everyone is very happy about it, but something we need to understand is over time, if the strong support is broken, we could see a very nasty fall for Terra Luna, and just classic could actually dip down all the way as to 7, which is a little scary. But if the support keeps acting as it is, we just will see a very extreme reversal, which a lot of people are expecting. But if we do decide to look at the Terra Classic, you can see the trading volume is up close to 30%, which is really good. Personally, I'm really happy to see whenever the trading volume is high, that just means that there is a most likely reversal coming in very soon. The trading volume to the market cap ratio is sitting close to 46%, and the circulating supply keeps on increasing. The hard cap has been taken away, and right now we are up about 6 billion tokens just in the past 48 hours, which is pretty crazy. Now, how early, this is really interesting article, how early Luna holders founders made with 6 billion. So you guys know right now the token is starting to pop off with Terra 2.0, but no one's paying attention to this. So this is the initial Luna Classic that we know right now. A lot of people actually made insane amount of money, because if these people just decided to hold, you can see the money they have made. And when you decide to look at Labs, which is Terraform, they made a significant pump as well. I just want to show you guys that Terra 2.0 is also going to make a lot of people extremely rich. So be very cautious, because when a lot of people become rich, that means a lot of people have to lose that money for the other people to become rich. So just be very cautious, as I always like to say. Another thing is in the wake of Terra's collapse, South Korea plans a new crypto oversight committee report. Now, this is crazy that South Korea is going to be putting together a committee that will specially look after just crypto, as they invested in metaverse, as I just mentioned. Now this is really good. I mean, personally, I don't like a lot of regulations going against crypto, but at the same time there should be some sort of regulation just to make sure that not much is going on in terms of scams when it comes to crypto. Personally, I'm really excited to see how this will play off for the US and the UK and all the other countries. Now, Cardano holder or CEO Charles said about Terra, in the end, slow wins. He's obviously talking about how Cardano over time is going to do much better compared to Luna, because they had an explosive move but decided to fall out. That's pretty much what he is hinting towards, but personally, I don't exactly agree with him, because sometimes people just want to help the ones that are moving fast. This is a little shady, I'll just say that word. Now, Terra 2.0 pure gambling has burned its community and its brand is tarnished. Now, this is so true, because the way Terra 2.0 is working right now, I understand it is very early into the project, but it is still going crazy, as it is going super high in a day and it is going super low in a day. This just means it's sort of gambling. You win or you lose. There is no such thing as investing, just for now. I'm not actually putting shade on it at all. Just for now, it's just way too volatile to be able to invest in the right time, because finding the right point to put your money in is a little scary. Other than that, let me know down in the comment section what you guys think. I hope you did enjoy today's video. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel, do want to stay up to date with everything, I highly recommend you subscribe. I hope you all have a wonderful day ahead, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.